side.
Which one?
This one.
Right here?
Mm-hmm. They got a lot of it cleaned up. You'll see a lot of this too. Businesses opening up and, you know, just got table stuff and trailers and the Pepsi place. Just coming up over there. Oh my goodness. There's the apartments that his friend was in and his boss. Hello? Get in front of me. Okay, go. Go ahead of me. There's a lane right there. I was going to tell you to use the... Yeah, you could have gone around me in it. There. Okay. Okay, we'll meet you there. There's the Pepsi place.
That is?
Mm-hmm. Oh wait, maybe it's up here. It's hard to tell.
Yeah,
All those
probably up
apartments,
here.
that was his friend's apartments they were in.
And then
That's the Home Depot. There's the back of the Academy up here. This was the Aldi's.
Right here? Wow.
and now he and his mom is having to work.
Yeah, his mom worked there. She wasn't at work. She worked Saturday.
That's a good thing.
Wow, look at that. They're already constructing that.
What's that?
The Walgreens.
Wow.
See, they've got building supplies up in the parking lot over here for the...
Yeah, I knew they'd set up a tent. I saw that online.
This was the medics, mobile medics. This was where